So friends, now we are moving to the one of the very attractive techniques of the Vedic maths, that is Urdhva Tiryagbhyam. In English we call it as vertically crosswise, which is known as the crowning gem of Vedic maths. Why it is known as crowning gem of Vedic maths? Why? Because it is the ultimate technique with the help of which we can multiply any number into any number within a single line, and we can get the answer without much strain, and that too within less time. So let us see how to multiply any digit into any digit within a single line, and that too within the less time. First we will start with double digit into double digit. Before starting the technique, I want to tell you one thing. In this one we have to follow some patterns. If you can understand the patterns, or if you can understand the logic behind the patterns, you can multiply any digit into any digit of your own. Now let us see the patterns, how they will be. First we'll go through the double digit into double digit. Now let us start the pattern. Fine. For explaining the pattern, I will follow one logic. First see here, right? So first goes to first goes to second goes to first, and finally second goes to second. Let us assume these dots as digits. Suppose 24 into 36 I want to multiply. 24 into 36. There are 3 steps in double digit into double digit multiplication. 3 steps. So what is the first step? See here, there are, let us suppose, I will tell you in a little dramatic way so that you can understand easily. First, let us assume the top 2 dots are room number 1 and room number 2. We have to start from the right side. If we start from the right side, this will be our room 1 and this will be our room 2. Below there are 2 persons. This will be the person 1 and this will be the person 2. Now we have 3 conditions. What are the 3 conditions? First condition is the persons who are below, they have, whomever be the persons, how many number of persons, it is irrespective. So whatever be the number of persons, it is irrespective. Whomever it may be, in the below there are persons. Every person has to reach to room 2, that is the last one. To reach to room 1, he has to go in a sequential way. First he has to go for room 1, then room 2, then room 3, if at all is there. Like that he has to go. And second condition, no 2 persons can directly enter into one room. So the 3 conditions we have to follow in this one. The persons who are below, they have to approach to the last room. If they want to approach to the last room, first they have to go in a sequential order. First they have to go for the room 1, then in the second step room 2, then room 3 and room 4, like that they have to go in a sequential order, step by step. And second condition, no 2 persons can directly approach into one room. No 2 persons can directly approach into one room. Only one person can go into one room at a time. And third condition, right? So this one works through first come first served basis. That means who is the one stood first in the queue, he will go to the first room. Now the person 2 has no chance. Now in the second step, the person 1 goes to the room 2, then only the person 2 got a chance to go to room 1. Like that the first come first served basis will go. Now let us start. In the double digit into double digit, there are 3 steps. Now first person goes to the first room. This is the first step. Now second person has no chance. In the second step, first person goes to room 1, room 2, and second person goes to room 1. Why? Because he is waiting for the chance. Whenever the room 1 get vacate, the person 2 directly enter into room 1. That means in the second step only person 2 will start. Now, so the person 1 reached the second room, all the rooms. His work is over. Now we don't know, no need of this person. Now come to the third step. Now in the third step, second person goes to second room. So there the work ends. Now we will apply the same technique to the numbers. just imagining the dots as numbers. Okay, first we'll start with from the right side. Here the arrow mark which is there, okay, that indicates the multiplication between those two digits. Okay, that means you tell me now which digits I need to multiply in this one. Yes, exactly, 4 6 times. What is 4 6 times? 24. So I will drop 4, carry 2. Now second step, first goes to second, second goes to first. Okay, remember, whenever there is an overlap of arrow marks, whenever there is an overlap of arrow marks, you need to cross multiply those products and you need to add the products. You need to cross multiply the numbers and you need to add the products. Now you tell me, what are the products here? 2 6 is 12, 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 12, 24. 24, and what is the carry? You should not forget the carry. So 24 plus 2, 26. So drop 6, carry 2. Now what is the last step? Last step is 2 3 is 6. Now 6, and what is the carry? 2. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So our answer is 864. You may think that, so why we have to take this much logic to understand this one? Okay, remember, this is the base. Okay, actually there is no need of this much logic, but this logic will help you to understand the coming multiplication steps. Okay, now once again I am going to explain. Okay, this is known as this is also known as 1x1 method. 1x1 method. Now, so what is the first step? First goes to first, that means first digit into first digit. So 4 6 are 24. Drop 4, carry 2. Next, second step, cross multiply and add the products. 2 6 are 4 3 are 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus carry 2, you should not forget the carry every time. Okay, you have to add the carry. 24 plus 2, 26. So I have dropped in the 6 and carry 2. And what is the last step? 2 3 is 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So our answer is 864. Now let us take one more example. Suppose if I want to multiply 43 into 24. I want to multiply 43 into 24. Now start from the right side. What is the first step? First goes to first. So 3 4s 12. Drop 2, carry 1. So whatever be the number you are getting, okay, whatever be the number you are getting as an answer, drop the ones place and carry remaining to the next number. Whatever be the number, just carry it to the next number. Now second step. Second step is crosswise. So 4 4 16, 3 2 6. 16 plus 6, 22, plus carry is 1, it's 23. So I have dropped 3 and carried 2. Now what is the last step? 4 2s 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So our answer is 1032. One more example. See, 37 into 86 I want to multiply. So this time, okay, once again I am explaining you. What is 7 6 times? 42. Drop 2, carry 4. Cross multiply. 18 plus 56. Okay, 3 6 is 18 plus 7 is 56. 18 plus 56 is how much? 74. Okay, 74 plus 4. So 74 plus 4, 78. So drop 8, carry 7. Okay, next, what is 3 8s? 24. So 24 plus 7, 31. So our answer is 3182. So like this we can calculate double digit into double digit. Even you can no need of writing the carries, even you can remember the carries in the mind. Okay, how? Now let us take one example. Suppose let us take 83 into 67. I want to multiply. 3 7s are 21. Drop 1, carry 2 in the mind. Carry 2 in the mind. Now what is the next step? You will immediately multiply, right? 8 7s are, yes or no? 8 7s are 56. Okay, now immediately add the carry. What is the carry in there in your mind? 2. So 56 plus 2, how much? 58. Now multiply another one and add. Okay, so 58 plus 18. So what is 58 plus 18? 76. So drop 6, carry 7 in the mind for some time. Carry 7 in the mind. Now what is 8 6? 48. 48 plus 7, 55. So your answer is 5561. So like that you can calculate even without putting the carries on the pen, carries on the paper. Okay, like this we can calculate double digit into double digit. Okay, without taking rough work and without doing many steps. So just within a single step we can able to tell the answer. Okay, now we will see the next step, that is double digit into triple digit. Now we will see triple digit into double digit. Okay, so triple digit into double digit. Now you can see here, okay, we have to start from the right side. Before starting from the right side, I want to ask you a small question. When I'm drawing the pattern, okay, I'm putting some steps. So for double digit into double digit, okay, directly I put 3 steps. Okay, for triple digit into double digit, okay, I am putting 4 steps. So what is the logic behind the number of steps we can do? The number of steps we can do a calculation, either it is a triple digit into double digit multiplication or double digit into double digit multiplication. I will tell you the logic. Okay, so number of steps equal to okay, so if you are doing further double digit into double digit into double digit, okay, so here there are 2 digits. So in this number also there are 2 digits plus 2 digits, okay, minus 1, that is 2 plus 2 4 minus 1 3. So there are 3 number of steps in double digit into double digit multiplication. Suppose if it is triple digit into double digit, the number of steps equal to here there are 3 digits, and in this number there are 2 digits, 3 plus 2 minus 1. Every time we have to add the number of digits in each number and subtract 1 from that one, so that you will get the number of steps in which we can multiply both the numbers. Okay, so 3 plus 2 equal to 5, minus 1 4. That means there are 4 steps involved in triple digit into double digit. That's why I have put 4 steps in this one. Okay, so now let us start on the right side. Now you got the logic behind number of steps. Okay, so that you can continue now. Start from the right side. So this time the same logic, but one room is increased in the top. There are 3 rooms this time. Okay, but only 2 persons who has to enter into the 3 rooms. The person 1, person 2. Remember, every time you have to start from the right side. Okay, now we'll start. As we know, what is the first step? The person 1 enters into room 1. Remember, this person 2 has no chance. Okay, now in the second step only the person 2 will get a chance. Before that one, the person 1 has to go to which room? Second room. Why? Because he has already entered into one room. Okay, now he will go into the second room. Now second person got a chance to go to, yes, exactly, room 1. So in the second step, person 1 goes to room 2. Now person 1 has to go to which room? Yes, room 3. Now person 2 will go to room 2. See, it should be in a sequential way. Okay, both the persons has to act parallelly. Okay, and the two, they have to go in an orderly way, in a sequential way. Okay, they should not release the sequence. Okay, they should not unfollow the sequence. Okay, they have to follow the sequence. Now what is the last step? Anyhow, the person 1 covered all the 3 rooms. Okay, now there is no work with the person 1. No need to worry about the person 1. Just leave person 1 when he covered all the rooms. Now finally you tell me person 2 goes to room 3. Exactly. Okay, I think now you got the logic. Okay, so why I am saying this person 1 goes to room 1, person 2 goes to room 2, then person 2 goes to room 1, like this. Okay, why? Because these steps indicate, okay, with which numbers you have to multiply, in which step. Okay, so these steps will represent what? Okay, the multiplication order of the digits. Okay, now let us imagine, let us take some example. I want to multiply 324 into 43. I want to multiply 324 into 43. Anyway, this involves 4 steps. Of course, I am going to write in an enlarged way, okay, just for your understanding sake, but not every time. Now let us start first. Start from the right side. First goes to first. That means this, as I said, the arrow mark represents what? The multiplication of the digits. Okay, the multiplication of the which digits? Okay, which the arrow mark is showing. Okay, so what is 4 3s are 12? Drop 2, carry 1. In the second step, first goes to second and second will get a chance to go to first. Now, whenever, what I said, whenever there is an overlap of the arrow marks, you need to cross multiply the digits and add their products. See here, 2 3s are 6, 4 4s are 16. 6 plus 16, 22. 22 should not forget the carry anytime. Okay, 22 plus 1, 23. Drop 3, carry 2. Now what is the third step? First goes to, anyhow, here the first goes to first goes to second, first goes to, now this time first goes to third. The sequential way they has to come. Okay, now here in the second step, second goes to first. In the third step, second goes to second. Now 3 3s are 9, 4 2s 8. 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 2 is the carry. So 19, drop 9, carry 1. So finally the first digit work is over. It covered all the 3 digits. Now what we have to see finally? Second goes to last. That is second goes to third. So what is 4 3s? 12. 12 plus 1, 30. So finally what is our answer? 1393, 2. Okay. So we'll see one more example here. Suppose if I want to multiply 364 into say some 78. I want to multiply these numbers. So let us start from the right side. What is the first one? First step is 4 8s are 32. Yes or no? What is the first step? First to first. 4 8s are 32. Drop 2, carry 3. Second step. First goes to second and second goes to first. So 6 8s are 48. 7 4s are 28. 48 plus 28. 76. 76 plus 3. 79. So drop 9, carry 7. What is the third step? First goes to third, second goes to second. So 8 is a 24, 6 7s are 42. 24 plus 42, 66. 66 plus 7, 73. So drop 3, carry 7. So finally what is the last step? 7th is a 21. 21 plus 7, 28. So our answer is 28392. One more example. 538 into 64. I want to multiply 538 into 64. So but this time I am not going to write the carries like this. Okay, I am going to put the carries in the mind and I will explain. Okay, you need to follow carefully. Now see here. So what is 4 8s? 32. Okay, drop 2, carry 3 in the mind for some time. Carry 3 in the mind for some time. Okay, don't say, just you have to alter the mind. Hey, mind, please carry 3 for some time. Definitely the carry will store it. Okay, whenever you want, it will get back. That is the management of the mind. Okay, so please don't forget, you have to alter the mind that you need to carry 3 in the mind. Now first goes to second, second goes to first. Okay, so 3 4s are 12. 12, immediately add the carry. What is the carry there in the mind? 3. So 12 plus 3, 15. So why I am saying to add the carry immediately, otherwise you will forget. There is a chance, scope of forgetting the carry. That's why you need to add the carry immediately. Okay, so what is 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15. Okay, 15. And what is the next step? 6 8s are 48. So 15 plus 48, how much? 63. So I am dropping 3, carrying 6. Carrying 6 in the mind. Exactly. Now what is next step? 4 5s are 20. Immediately add the carry. 26. 26 plus 18. 26 plus 18, how much? 44. Okay, so drop 4, carry 4 in the mind. So what is the last step? 5 6 are 30. Okay, 30, and what is the final carry? 4. So answer is 34. So what is my answer finally? 34432. Like that you can multiply, okay, triple digit into double digit within a single line. Okay, that too within less time. Okay, you may think that it may taking some time, but when I am explaining it is taking time, but when I start doing, okay, within no time I will get the answer. Okay, within seconds. So that now we will go for the triple digit into triple digit. But before going to calculate the triple digit into triple digit, what you need to do, just pause this video and go for the pattern. Draw the pattern of triple digit into triple digit. Now you tell me, before drawing the pattern, how many steps are involved in the triple digit into triple digit multiplication? How many steps? First For the double digit into double digit, how many steps we go for? Okay, we have gone for 3 steps. 2 into 2, 4 minus 1, sorry, 2 plus 2, 4 minus 1, 3. Just like double digit into double digit, there are 3 steps involved. Similarly, triple digit into double digit, how many steps involved? 4. Why? Because 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1, 4. Similarly, triple digit into triple digit, 3 digit plus 3 digit means 3 plus 3, 6 minus 1, 5. So there are total 5 steps involved in the triple digit into triple digit multiplication. So you just go for the pattern drawing. Just pause this video and go for the pattern drawing for some time. Okay, and check the pattern with the coming explanation of triple digit into triple digit multiplication. Now we will see triple digit into triple digit multiplication and how to do the calculation within a single line, and that within less time. First of all, we have to see the pattern. Okay, now triple into triple. So how many steps involved in this one? Okay, so total 5 steps. 3 plus 3, 6 minus 1, 5. Okay, so total 5 steps. Start from the right side. First goes to first. Now second and third dots are okay. Okay, fine. Let us take room 1 and room 2 and this time room 3. Here person 1, person 2, person 3. Okay, you need to just understand the logic. So you need to understand the logic. Okay, which logic, which digit should be multiplied with which digit, okay, to get the answer, right? Now let us see. First goes to, in the first step, in the very first step, first goes to first, and second and third persons had no chance. Now in the second step, obviously first goes to second. Why? Because it is in sequential order. Okay, now second got a chance to go to first. Why? Because it is waiting. Whenever the first room got vacated, okay, the second person immediately enters into that room. Okay, second goes to second, but even in the second step also the third person has no chance. Okay, now first goes to third, second goes to second, and third goes to first. Now in the third step only the third got a chance to start. Okay, now this third person covered all the 3 rooms, so no need to worry about this one. Now second goes to third, third goes to second. Even in this step also the second covered all the steps, even no need of worry about the second person here. Now finally third goes to third. Okay, now let us apply the same logic, okay, same pattern to triple digit into triple digit. Let us take one example. Okay, so 243 into 324. I want to multiply 243 into 324. Okay, so it involves again how many steps? 5 steps. One, two, three, 4, and one more. Okay, fine. Now let us start the first step. Okay, what is the first step? First goes to first, or the first digit should be multiplied. It means what? If I say the first person is going to room 1 means, okay, it means what? The first digit should be multiplied with the first digit in the top. Okay, first goes to first, or first digit should be multiplied with the first digit from the right side. I am saying from the right side, remember. Okay, so what is 4 3s? 12. Okay, so drop 2, carry 1. Okay, every time you have to drop the ones place and carry the remaining, whatever be the number, okay, you have to carry to the next number. Now first goes to second and second goes to first, or what it means, you need to multiply first digit with the second digit and second digit with the first digit. Okay, you need to cross multiply, right? After cross multiplying you need to add the products also. Now let us see. 4 4s are 16, 3 2s are 6. 16 plus 6 is how much? 22. 22, and you should not forget the carry. 22 plus 1, 23. Drop 3, carry 2. Now third step. First with the third, second with the second, and third with the first. See, you need to multiply all the 3 products at a time. Okay, and you need to add those products. You need to multiply all the 3 calculations. You need to calculate all the 3 multiplications, okay, and you need to add the products. right? See, it is little tough to add all the three products at a time. So what I mean to say, first you calculate any two products, add them, and then add the third product in the next calculation. Okay, how? Just see here. First I will see 2 4s are 8, 3 3s are 9. 8 plus 9. 8 plus 9 is how much? 17. Okay, keep 17 in the mind for some time. 17. Now to the 17 add the third calculation. 4 2s are 8. So 17 plus 8 is how much? 25. So 25 plus 2 carry. So 27. Drop 7, carry 2. Now anyhow, so what is the next step? Second goes to third, third goes to second, or second digit should be multiplied with third digit and third digit to be go for second digit. 4 plus 12, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So drop 8, carry 1. Okay, finally what is the last step? 2 3s are 6. So 6 plus 1, 7. So my answer is 7 8 7 3 2. Let us take one more example. Suppose if I want to multiply, say 724 into 386. I want to multiply this one. Okay, start from the right side. First step. What is the first step? First goes to first, or first digit with the first digit. 4 6 are 24. Drop 4, carry 2. Second, first to second, second to first. 12 plus 32. I am saying directly. I am not saying 6 2s are 12, 4 8s are 32 like that. Okay, so 12 32. So 12 plus 32, 44. 44 plus 2, 46. Okay. Now first goes to third, third goes to first, and second to second. So 6 7s are 42. 3 4s are 12. 42 plus 12. You have to first add these two products. 42 plus 12, how much? 54. Then to this 54, next add the third product. At a time you no need to calculate all the products, why? Because it will become very hard. Okay, so 54 plus 2 is 16. 54 plus 16, how much? 70. 70 along with the carry, 74. So drop 4, carry 7. Now what is the next step? 7 is a 56, 2 3 is a 6. 56 plus 6, 62. 62 plus 7, 69. So drop 9, carry 6. Now finally what is the last step? 7 3 is a 21. 21 plus 6, 27. So your answer is 279464. One more example, but this time without putting the carries on the paper. Just putting the carries in the mind. Okay, we are going to multiply 3 digit into 3 digit number within a single line. Okay. Now let us take some numbers. 543 into 225. I want to multiply 543 into 225. Okay, so first, what is the first step? 3 5s are 15. So drop 5, carry 1 in the mind. Carry 1 in the mind, don't forget. Now second step, 4 5s are 20. Immediately add the carry. Immediately add the carry. So 20 plus 1, 21. 21 plus 6. What I am showing, 21 plus 6 means 3 2s are 6. That one I am telling you directly. Okay, you need to catch that one. So how much? 21 plus 6, 27. 27 means dropping 7, carry 2 in the mind for some time. Remember, you need to carry 2 in the mind for some time. Next, 5 5 is a 25 plus 2, 27. 27 plus 6, 33. 33 plus 8. 33 plus 8, 41. So dropping 1, carry 4 in the mind. Next, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 8. 14 plus 8, 22. So drop 2, carry 2. Finally, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. So your answer is 122,175. Okay, like that, putting the carries in the mind. Okay, we can calculate even within a single line. That too, the work is going to taken by totally by the mind. Okay, so your mind power is also going to increase a lot if you practice this multiplication techniques. Okay, like this we can calculate triple digit into triple digit. Okay, now finally I am going to explain one last example. Okay, how to calculate. You can calculate any number into any number by just following this logic. Okay, so finally Yes, we will see one example how to multiply any number into number. Just 2 or 3 examples I will explain you. Okay, so in the last few examples, okay, so we have seen triple digit into triple digit, double digit into triple, double into double, like that we have came in a sequential order. But this time I'm not going to go in a sequential order. I'll take some random number. Let us take some 4 digit into 2 digit. Let us take some 2 3 4 6 into 42. I want to multiply this one. I don't know whether how many steps it will come. It doesn't matter to me how many steps it will come. But what the matter is, okay, if I understood the logic, okay, which logic, which digit should be multiplied with which digit in which step. Okay, if you understand the logic, which digit should be multiplied with the which digit to get the calculations in an order. Okay, so see here. First, what is the first step? 6 into 2, first goes to first, 2 6 are 12, drop 2, carry 1. Okay, now anyway I know that in the second step first goes to second, and obviously second will get a chance to go to first. Yes or no? Second step, in the second step first goes to second. Already first to first is over. Now first goes to second, and second will get a chance to go to first. Yes or no? Right? Now, so 4 2s are 8, 6 4s are 24. 8 plus 24, 32. Exactly. 32 plus 1 is the carry, you should not forget. 32 plus 1, 33. Now you tell me, in the next step, first goes to which step? First goes to third. Exactly. It is coming in a sequential way. You have to follow that sequential way. Okay. So 3 2s are 6, and second goes to second. So 6 plus 16, 22. 22 plus 3, 25. Drop 5, carry 2. And now first goes to fourth, and second goes to third. Okay, so 4 plus 12, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So drop 8, carry 1. Finally, what is the last step? 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So your answer is 98532. See, this time I am not bothering about the number of steps here. What I am bothering about is whether my calculation steps, are they going in an order or not? Are they following the pattern or not? Okay, are they following the logic or not? Okay, if my logic I can easily understand, okay, it's not a problem to calculate any number into any number and to get the answer within a single step, that too within less time. Finally, I want to show you, I want to multiply some 5 digit into 3 digit. Okay, so let us take some 5 2 3 4 6 into some 3 digit. You can take some let us take 3 1 4. Okay, I want to multiply, so 52,346 into 314. I want to get the answer within a single line. Now let us see. First, so you tell me, just okay, you do one thing, just put the video on pause, okay, and go for this problem. Okay, then after solving the problem you can cross check the answer. Okay, now I'm going to do, see here, first, so 6 4s are 24. Okay, 6 4s are 24 means dropping 4, carrying 2. Next, 4 4s are 16 plus 6. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 2, 24. Okay, now 4 3s are 12, 3 6s are 18. 12 plus 18, 30. 30 plus 4 1s are 4. 30 plus 4, 34. 34 plus 2, 36. Okay, now 4 2s are 8, 3 4s are 12. 8 plus 12, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 23 plus 3, 26. Okay, next 4 5s are 20. 3 3s are 9. 20 plus 9, 29. 29 plus 2, 31. 31 plus 2, 33. Okay, next 1 5s are 5. 3 2s are 6. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 3, 14. So drop 4, carry 1. Finally, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So what is our answer? 1643 66 44. Okay, so you please check the answer with your answer. Okay, and like this, see, any number into any number, it doesn't matter. Okay, if you understand the logic, okay, if you are perfect with the additions of the products, okay, yes, you got it with. Okay, so like this we can calculate any number into any number. Okay, and this is the general technique. You can apply this technique to any numbers, any kind of numbers, it doesn't matter. Okay, so with the help of Urdhva Tiryagbhyam, vertically crosswise, which is the crowning gem of Vedic maths, okay, we can easily calculate, okay, any number into any number.